So the Foxwell BT 715 battery analyzer that I ordered is in the mail. I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. The carrying case is very sturdy. We have the owner's manual here. This product comes with a 1-year warranty from Foxwell. This tool can test regular flooded batteries, AGM and gel. It also supports testing in all the standards you see here: cold cranking amps, Battery Council International Standards, marine cranking amps, the German European standards, etc. The next page shows what the output will be depending on the state of the battery. We have good battery, good recharge, charge and retest, replace battery, and bad cell replace, and the conditions that will trigger it. The cable is very long and should be enough to reach the driver's seat inside most cars. Let's go outside and hook it up. I will do a test with a good battery and a bad battery. First up, the good battery. This is in a 2009 Toyota Corolla with a Toyota OEM battery. It is rated for 550 cold cranking amps. When you have gone through the whole testing cycle, there are 4 screens to review the results. Let's go check out a bad battery, and I'll click around for more of the menu options. This is a 2011 Honda CRZ with a Honda OEM 151R battery. The 12-volt battery is about 6 months old. It's not actually used to start the car, as this car uses the high voltage hybrid battery to start. But the 12-volt is required to run all the electronics, including the ECU, so it does have to provide some power. The 12-volt battery has completely died and has to jump it a few times. I will only be doing a battery test if this car does not have an alternator and the tool cannot test DC to DC converters. You can select different battery standards here, as I mentioned earlier in the video. The Honda OEM 151R battery is rated for 360 cca, so we will adjust the settings here. The tool shows that the battery is bad as we expected, and it recommends a replacement. I will probably be getting a new one from Honda as it should be under warranty.